Good morning, and we have started in French Quarter. Nice and early today, and we are just outside. So we're going to be going to Blizzard Beach today. We always get beignets when we come now, because if you've had them, you know they're amazing. So this is how we're starting. I think they're $7.99 for 3 and $12.99 for 6. You can get like sundaes and stuff with them as well, and you have like caramel sauce or chocolate sauce. So we get caramel. Refill stations are good here as well. In French Quarter, they are the freestyle machines, so you've got loads of options as well. But as you can see, it is quite busy today. There's quite a lot of people checking in and out. So yeah. Never enough caramel. Okay, beignets are gone. They're really nice. Usually when we have them, they're airy inside, like quite light, and they're still filling then. But they were quite stodgy this time, which is nice. We only had 3, so fill this up. It's such a pretty resort. We stayed at Riverside before, and came across here and had a wander. But this is a little bit, it was like smaller, quieter. It was all similar size. You can walk to it. Yeah, really nice. So here's our mess. Gone. $8. We're both full, and it's really good. So I definitely recommend this. Just have a look at the resort as well. If you stay here, you won't be disappointed. And you get the boat as well to Disney Springs, which is quite nice. Yeah.
Aaron loves beignets so much, he decided to design a t-shirt about them. So it's 3:15? No, 20 past 3.
We went to Blizzard Beach, didn't we?
But we left the camera in the car by accident, so we didn't get much footage. I took a few pictures and stuff, but...
If anyone knows, with water parks over here when it opens, everyone rushes to get beds and places and stuff, so it's just absolute carnage. So we weren't going back to get the camera, were we? Because we needed to get somewhere in the shade for her.
Yeah, so we were there a few hours. We left by like 12:30. And then just came back to the resort.
It was really busy, wasn't it?
Just had a bit of relax. I popped to the pool for a bit. Just went for a walk around the resort, and we've just got in the car now to go out. So we're on our way to Animal Kingdom Lodge.
So it's excited, huh? Wow!
What I was trying to say was we're on our way to Animal Kingdom Lodge just to have a look around, because we've never been there before. We've debated staying there a few times as well, but just haven't, because people say about how far out it is. So just a bit unsure, but we'd love to have a look around. So we're going to go and have a little nosy and then head down to Disney Springs, because we've got dinner at 6:15. So thought we'd have a look around the shops first and then go for dinner. So yeah, we'll get some footage in the lobby for Animal Kingdom. So that didn't go to plan. We got to the gates for Animal Kingdom Lodge and they said they've got a phase 2 closure. So you're not allowed to park in there just to visit or anything. Strictly only guests are allowed, or if you've got a dining reservation. So they said, yeah, get the bus, but we're just going to go to Disney Springs because it's quite far out of the way. Yeah. So maybe we'll try again in the week. It might just be because it's a weekend or something. Maybe it's the car park's really busy, so. It's a very peaceful holiday. Yes, we're just going to head to Disney Springs and have a little wander.
Yep.
coming in and smelling all of the scents.
Florida grow orange. This is from the orange tree on the corn.
This one smells amazing, Aaron.
Does this smell? Yeah, it smells really good.
Hawaii. I don't know if it smells like anything, but what is it?
That's really good.
Where's Pirate Water? Which one's that? What's it called? Oh, it's called Pirate's Water. That smells like damp. Very sorry if you've got it in your house and I've just said your house smells like damp. Two secs. I don't know if that necessarily smells like Tiana's mind. Pirate's rum. Oh, that must be nice. I love anything that smells like holiday. That's quite nice as well. It smells like sun cream, but a nice one.
It actually really smells like it.
Oh yeah, that smells like the Disney
smells nice,
lotion.
doesn't it?
Yeah, so if you like the Disney lotion that
shampoos, everything.
that they leave in their rooms, that smells just like it.
It's really nice.
Would you not then relate though that your whole house smells like what you wash in? So this is the one that smells like the grass, funny enough, on Soarin'. Well, the elephant bit where you go with the mud and stuff. So I don't know what the other one is that we first saw, Clover. That smelled like it as well, but... I'm going to search and see what that smells like. The Clover one doesn't. The Clover World isn't. They've got fresh grass there, which is the Soaring one. I don't know. Can you Google it?
Yeah.
Hey, baby. Hey. Are you happy? Can't see the screen. Yacht and Beach Club. I don't think that's it. Surely. I don't know.
Formerly used the Grand Floridian and the Temperance Store is now the centre of the Yacht Beach Club.
4 o'clock on a Saturday at Disney Springs. Pretty busy already. But we always seem to come on a weekend, don't we? We avoid the parks just because they're always busier. So we always have like a water park on Disney Springs Day on a Saturday. Which I don't know why, because it's always so busy. But I think Disney Springs is busy anytime really, so it's fine.
It's a nice place to be though, isn't it? Just a wander.
Yeah, nice little wander. Can I have a quick stop in Starbucks?
Thank you.
The famous palm tree. Disney style.
What is your go-to parking guide? We always go orange. Don't know why.
It's weird though, isn't it? Because Live is bang in the middle. So I know a lot of people, we watch on the vlogs go for Live, but This is all orange.
We've always gone orange, then come out by Splitsville.
It looks like well, this time somehow some of the naked.
It's right by the orange garage, yeah. So very dark skies, so we're waiting for a storm to brew. We've been, touch wood, very lucky so far this trip. Expecting obviously September for it to be thunderstorms every afternoon. And so far we haven't. It rained a bit yesterday, but we missed it. And again, when we came out the hotel this afternoon, we're like, oh, it rained. Like, otherwise we'd missed it. And then we came in last November and May, and we didn't have any rain. And when we came in May, we saw loads of other people who'd come out like a week before, and it was like torrential every day. And then we came out
a week
and
after. Was it a week after or a few weeks after the hurricane that hit?
in November.
Yeah, it wasn't
Yeah.
long after that. We flew out. So.
Yeah, so we've been very lucky so far. Obviously fully expecting rain, but it is very, very muggy though. I think the real feels like 41 degrees.
Yeah.
But I love it. I would take this any day over the UK weather. So
Yeah, we're dreading all
the
that.
beer dragons at the Lego store spot. Go and have a look. Any guesses as to where we've just walked into? I love it. What has happened? What's Dad? Boop boop. What has Dad given you?
Boop boop. You boop him? Boop him? Boop boop.
Oh, poor Pluto.
Pluto reward.
How nice is this? $49.99. Quite a lot, but it is very nice. Aaron wants this.
They're limited at 2 per guest.
Mad. How much are they?
No, while stocks last, and there's a lot of stock that's lasted. $60 each.
Good God. That's cool as well. Good for Mickey's Not So Scary. These lounge flies as well. They feel amazing. They've got a whole section now for Halloween as well. Although by the time I get around to editing and posting this vlog, it'll probably be Christmas. Disney Dad. How do we get this home? $60? What is it? I'm afraid to touch. Is it an Aaron-sized biscuit jar? Nice. What about the castle? Oh, I really like it. I don't want to find out how much it is. How much is the castle? I feel like if I take it apart, I'm going to drop it.
60.
Oh. I can't get it back on. Help. Aaron? My hand didn't go that way. Oh great, you can't do it either. Oh, look at these shot glasses. How cute. Block the sign. Oh, she's fine. $35, bit steep. But still, quite cool. Where are those tongs then that I need to find? Here. Just when you're doing your cooking, everybody needs some monorail tongs. Please stand clear of the doors. That's really nice. $20.
It's really nice.
Really nice.
Really nice. How much is it?
$30 usually.
Oh, it's part of the deal, isn't it?
Really nice though.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I like that. How much is that? Oh, 84, is that it? Next to you?
Yes.
That's a little bit on the steep side, but I do very much like it.
It's nice though. Really nice.
Yeah, I love that. But I'm not paying 85 for it. I really want a coat like this, mind. So good for a waterproof coat, but $80. Which is crazy to think a coat is cheaper than that. Aaron's got a gift card for his birthday, so I wonder if he'll be tempted.
So here is the menu. They got a bit of something for everyone, which is what we were thinking for the wedding. We don't want anything too sort of posh or fixed. We wanted a bit of comfort food, but in a nice setting. So that's off the hook. They also got like a cookie bar here as well, which is quite nice. The atmosphere is really good. And so far they've been really like helpful and nice as well, so that's nice. Yeah, if you haven't seen, like Gideon's is the big cookie place, isn't it, down Lucy Springs, but they have got their own menu, which someone has recommended. And obviously Gideon's hot cookie hour is really good, but the queue's usually massive, so we're not by the time we get out here, it'll probably have started already. So we're going to try Summerhouse instead. So yeah, we'll let you know what the food's like when it comes.
They look amazing. I do love Brussels sprouts. Sorry. And the chicken tacos. Looks very, very nice. So hopefully it tastes as good as it looks.
So here is the menu from the cookie bar here. It is like there's like a separate queue to get in to pick which cookie you want. All the flavours, but if you eat in here, they will bring it to you as a dessert instead, and you could have it warmed up and eat it in here with ice cream as well. That's that. And then the fudge layer cake, he did warn us, is really tall, so we think it'll be like the Steakhouse 71. But yeah, and the cookie butter pie looks really good. So yeah, so we've gone for sea salt chocolate chip because we got crumble at home as well. We haven't gone for too much, we just got what we wanted just to try. So yeah, you compare it to Gideon's.
Drinky? Oh yeah, you're drinky.
Go on then.
Very good.
You try? That's going to fall apart, surely. When you cut a little bit off and...
That's really hot. That's better than Gideon's.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's really good.
Heard it here first.
Really good.
Summerhouse on the lake, better than Gideon's. One thing I love about this car park is the sensors. So it's obviously red if there's a car in there and green if it's free. The UK really need to introduce this.
Yeah.
And I'm about to crash
And in fact,
again.
they've got the little counters above as well, just to save time.
Yeah, how many spaces are in each row?
So much better.
There is an amazing sunset out there as well. I don't know. We recorded it last night as well.
Yeah, I know.
But
It's amazing.
I don't know if you can see it through the.
What orange the sky is.
Are you going the wrong way?
I have no idea how to get out of this car park.
Follow the exit signs.
They move.
I think it was the other side of the car park, so we're just doing a lap basically of Orange
Just love
Garage.
the car park. Well, that is amazing.
Yeah, the
Sunset.
if we ever get out of the garage, then we'll show you the sunset. No ducks here, love. So we ate at Summerhouse on the lake. It was really nice. We really enjoyed it. We were and ahhing as to whether to go or whether we should cancel because we really fancied a Blaze pizza. And we thought, oh, we'll just share something and then we'll go and get a Blaze afterwards. But we ended up having like fries, sweet potato fries, the Brussels sprouts, and the
portions. They're all
the
huge,
tacos.
aren't they?
Yeah. So we ended up not needing a Blaze, but we do really want one with this trip, and we weren't sure we were going to come back to Disney Springs, so we're going to have to find the time basically to come get a Blaze. But it was really nice. Yeah, it came to $64,
Yeah.
and then obviously we tipped on top.
Nice with the cookie and everything.
Yeah, so we had a Coke,
Bottomless sodas.
fries, sweet potato, Brussels sprouts, and the tacos, and then the sea salt chocolate chip cookie.
It was all really nice as well.
We had it warmed, so I think if you go to the cookie bar, then so you can choose your flavours, but they'll be cold. Whereas because we ate in, they brought it to the table warm, and it was really good.
It was really
And
good.
it was like the centre of it was more like cookie dough.
Yeah.
So definitely worth trying anyway. If you like a Gideon's, then definitely try a Summerhouse on the Lake cookie. So
Yeah. It was really nice.
we've escaped from the garage, and it is, I don't know if the camera will show it, but
That is incredible. It almost looks like Northern Lights, but with a sunset.
it's amazing. Yeah, it's so cloudy as well, but it's so orange.
That is amazing.
Very pretty. Hopefully the camera shows it up, but I'm not sure. So we're on our way back to the hotel now anyway, and that's about it for the night. I think we really need to have a look at some of the videos on this camera because we've got hours of footage that we brought the laptop thinking that in the evenings.
Make a head start on it.
Yeah, and we haven't. So I think we might try and do that. And then tomorrow we weren't. We were going to go to Celebration in the morning and then do Epcot in the afternoon because we've got a lightning lane for Guardians. But we feel like going to Animal Kingdom in the morning. Early start, just pop in, maybe rope drop, Flight of Passage. We did loads the other day, so I don't know. We'll see. Have a little wander.
Rafiki's
Rafiki's Planet.
is it?
Is it Planet? Yeah.
Yeah.
And just have a wander, see the animals and stuff because we've done the safaris.
Do the trails, see Maxa, the tiger, and all that.
Yeah. So that's the plan for tomorrow. So that will be on the next vlog, and a bit of Epcot as well then in the evening. So, but we are, like we've already said, like usually we're really regimented and we make a plan and a routine, and we do stick to it because we find that it's the best way that we actually get things done, especially with Aria. If we find that we don't have a plan, then it can be a bit stressful, but because we've been twice recently, we just wanted to go with the flow and pick and choose things and have like just a very rough plan that we don't need to stick to, and we've actually found it easier.
It's been really nice. Yeah.
But I think it's because we've already done so many of the rides that we're quite happy to miss out on certain things because we've done them recently.
I think as well, because queue times now have gone back to normal the last sort of 2 days, like today and yesterday. So you're back to your normal sort of long wait. Whereas we had those couple of days where the queue times were really low, we were able to park hop and then make the most of obviously getting on things. So we could split it into a half-day park, and then we can go back and do the little things that we want as and when, without having the time-consuming part of queuing up for the big rides again. So that's helped us out a lot as well, which is why we've been able to sort of like mix and match and change plans now today.
Yeah. Hopefully you can see that sunset. But we're going to leave it there for today,
Yeah.
and we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.